today we are going to one of the fabulous cities of the Bible, the city of Pergamum. Now, Pergamum sat high atop a rock for its acropolis and had a massive area down below. But it was, in fact, the best place to be if you were a pagan. It was the best zip code for paganism. And today we're going to visit up on the Acropolis, see a massive theater, see its temples, but also take a short visit to the hospital center because after all, Dr. Luke was one of the companions of the Apostle Paul. Join us today as we make our way to Pergamum. And what happens is, if you are caught unwilling to give that incense, you're going to be put in a maestas trial. That trial will summarily have you executed, unless an acquittal stone is given at the end of the trial. And the acquittal stone, guess what color it is? White. I'll bail you out in the last hour and you won't know how I did it.